Looking for a unique and hands-free way to capture life's moments? Camera sunglasses may be just what you need. There are many products available to choose camera sunglasses, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camera sunglasses from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yikamis Smart Glasses Video Camera. Yikamis Smart Glasses Video Camera is a great option for those who love outdoor activities or vlogging. With HD 1080p video quality and a built-in 32GB memory card, this spy sunglasses camera is perfect for capturing your adventures. The Bluetooth earphone feature allows you to enjoy music while recording. These glasses are great for sports, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The design is sleek and comfortable to wear, making it a great accessory for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 2. OHO 32G Camera Glasses. The OHO 32G camera glasses are an ideal choice for those who love outdoor sports and activities. With a super slim design, these glasses come equipped with a 1080p camera and UV 400 sunglasses lens that provides maximum protection against sun glare and harmful UV rays. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just enjoying a day out, these glasses offer a convenient and hands-free way to capture all your adventures. With a long-lasting battery, easy-to-use controls, and crystal-clear video quality, the OHO 32G camera glasses are a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 3. Spectacles Video Sunglasses Made for Snapchat. Spectacles 2 Original are sunglasses with a built-in HD camera designed specifically for Snapchat users. With a sleek and stylish design, these sunglasses allow you to capture your favorite moments hands-free and in high definition. The Moonlight lens provides a cool blue tint, perfect for outdoor activities and events. The glasses come with a charging case and offer up to 70 videos or hundreds of photos on a single charge. These sunglasses are perfect for anyone who loves to document their adventures and share them with friends on Snapchat. Number 4. Bose Frames Tempo Sports Audio Sunglasses. The Bose Frames Tempo is a sleek and stylish pair of sports sunglasses that are perfect for outdoor activities. With polarized lenses and Bluetooth connectivity, these glasses not only provide excellent sun protection, but also allow you to listen to your favorite music or take phone calls hands-free. The frames are lightweight and durable, making them comfortable to wear during even the most intense workouts. Whether you're running, cycling, or hiking, the Bose Frames Tempo will enhance your outdoor experience. Number 5. ZT-Colife Camera Sunglasses. ZT-Colife Camera Video Sunglasses are a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. These smart glasses feature high-definition lenses that capture clear 1080p HD video and photos, leaving your hands free for activities like hunting, cycling, running, driving, and traveling. Lightweight and comfortable, these sunglasses also have a sleek design that looks great on anyone. With up to 3 hours of video recording time and a 32GB memory card, you'll never miss a moment. Don't let your adventures go undocumented. Upgrade to ZT-Colife Camera Video Sunglasses today. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.